See if can't catch me an old brookie or two today. Gotta be some left in here. I know everybody didn't catch them all out. See what we can do here. It's chilly out this morning. I'm getting pole cast this morning. There we go. Put it on the old Gulp Minnow this morning to try. Yeah, we're gonna put on the old Gulp Minnow and try it this morning. I got one Gulp Minnow. They're hitting it. Hopefully we can catch a few on it anyway. Gulp Minnow. I think either the 2.5 inch. This one's dried up a little bit. It wasn't in the original pack, so it's a little hard, but they're biodegradable. And boy, you use them, you take them off your hook, or you don't take it off your hook. You leave it on there, and you come back. Next time you come back to go fishing, you're going to have a dried up minnow on your hook that you can't get off. There's nothing that cast neither. He's on down. Huh? Looked like it out there in the water. Huh? Did you? Nothing. Darn that wind. Woo. Caught my first ever tiger trout right out of this hole right here. People wouldn't think they'll lay in there, but get it right along the bank. A lot of times that's where they're laying, feeding. be a skunk for me today. We're going to have to fix the leave. It's getting about that time that we're going to have to go so we can get stuff done. Step down here where Dad's at, see if I can hook on anything. Any bites? I ain't either. This old hole ain't hit in a long time. Maybe even one last Hail Mary today. Used to catch a bunch of brookers down here. Big one? Big one? Just in the old swift water? That's an old brown trout, ain't it? I just missed one. Still gonna get skunked. Might be an old brute laying in there. Hooked into one. I ain't caught one in several years. Yeah, it hit hard too, and I missed. Huh? Ah, darn it. Yep, and I'm stuck in the brush tree now. There it come out. Indeed, I'm gonna get skunked yet. I know. That was right after it hit the water. There he is. Pretty rainbow. Yeah. Finally, I didn't get skunked. I said I didn't get skunked. He collared up like he'd been in here a little while.